Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you control people by becoming a fake mannequin on Dress to Impress. Now this sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't work. You do need to make your skin color like this dark gray. So I will just go to the booth and I'm going to select this color, but I am going to make it not too dark. I will just go back and forth to kind of match it. Okay, it's a little bit too dark, so I'm going to make it a little bit lighter. Hopefully this is good enough. Okay, that's perfect. So 25, 25, 25. I will also color my nails to be that exact same color. Then for the outfit, I do suggest layering so that people will know you are using just an outfit from Dress to Impress. And I also suggest you using items from VIP. I'm just going to select this and I'm going to take off the bows and I'm going to make it like a different color. And I'm also going to use this as well. And then I'm going to color it like this, and then I'll take this top and then I'm going to color that as well. Something like this. You can also accessorize, maybe using this too. Or was it this way? And then I'm just going to use like maybe this. Again, this won't work for everybody because people will know. Okay, maybe not this one because it's like animated. Maybe use this one instead. Then in the troll pose pack, you're going to select the mannequin so you stand still. And you're just going to like stay like in a place where people think there will be a mannequin. Maybe like here, kind of blend yourself in. It's just for fun. I don't really like it, but if you want to, you can. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.